well-known pastors and their specialty in ministry. Pastor Kumi specializes in propagating the messages of holiness, salvation, and righteousness. He's also well endowed when it comes to Bible studies, as well as he's very good when it comes to leadership and discipleship. Pastor Enoch Adabayo is more specialized in healing and deliverance ministry. So you see those messages coming up more from him. My third on the list is Joshua Selma. Apostle Joshua Selma is more specialized in prophetic ministry, as well as teaching deep spiritual insights. He's also specialized in your growth and development in your Christian walk with Christ. And he's also specialized in deliverance and healing ministry. So if you're looking for deep spiritual insight, prophetic ministry, you want someone to quicken your prayer life, your walk with God, then you should be listening to us. The fourth pastor is Pastor David Oyedepo. Pastor David Oyedepo is specialized in messages that talks about prosperity, kingdom wisdom, empowerment, leadership, and supernatural breakthroughs. That is his specialty. That is what he usually talks about. So if you're looking for someone who talks about supernatural breakthroughs, and faith and prosperity, kingdom wisdom, empowerment, and leadership, then you can be listening to Pastor Oyedepo. The fifth one is Joel Austin, an American preacher and the leader of a mega church. So Joel Austin specializes in positive thinking and mindset, inspirational messages, motivational messages, prosperity and abundance messages. That's the kind of messages he preaches. Pastor Kingsley Okonkwo, he is specialized in marital counseling, relationship counseling, and youth empowerment kind of messages. So if you're looking for someone to give you all that it takes to have a blissful relationship, marriage, then you can listen to Pastor Kingsley Okonkwo. Pastor Paul Enechi, I don't know if I'm pronouncing his name well, but he is specialized in prophetic ministry, deliverance ministry, and expository teaching of the Word of God. So if you're looking for deliverance, miracle, you can listen to Pastor Paul Enechi. Evangelist Billy Graham, the late evangelist Billy Graham. I know he's passed on, but you can find some of his messages online on YouTube, on TikTok. Now, Evangelist Billy Graham focuses on salvation, righteousness, and your walk with God, developing your walk with God. He was one of the greatest evangelists in the 20th century. And even though he's no more, you could listen to his messages because the tongue never died. Pastor Abel Damina is specialized in criticism of new Christian cultures that he believes are unbiblical. He also specializing in Christian Bible teaching, expository Bible teaching, relating it to the modern man. So if you're looking for a preacher who could make you question a lot of things around you in your Christian denomination, in your Christian culture, then you can listen to Abel Damina. Pastor Abel Irene is also specialized in marital counseling, relationship counseling, as long as revival and prophetic ministry. Pastor Michael Orapo is specialized in preaching righteousness, expository Bible teachings, as well as prophetic healing and deliverance. I'll end here. You can add more in the comment section.